Hi guys, today we are gonna be making a no-bake strawberry and banana cheesecake salad. Alright, so let's get started. For what you need for this recipe, you're just gonna need a Jello No Bake. I picked cherry cheesecake. Then you just actually need the filling mix inside the box. So what you're gonna wanna do, you just need one packet. We're gonna cut that open, put it right into our mixing bowl. And then what we're gonna do, mix 18 ounces of strawberry yogurt. That should do it. Also what we're gonna add, 1 12-ounce of the Cool Whip topping. So you're gonna use a whole container of the Cool Whip. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix that all together. And then after it's all mixed up really well, you really wanna get that cheesecake filling all mixed up in here. So then what you would do is put this in the fridge for about an hour or so. And meanwhile, while that's sitting in the fridge, you could cut up strawberries. I suggest you add the strawberries and the bananas. You're gonna cut up like a pound of strawberries to whatever size you would like. And then 3 whole bananas, give or take, depending on how much you like bananas or not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut these strawberries up. And once again, you're gonna wanna add these right before you serve the salad, because the bananas can tend to get black once they're in the fridge, turn kind of brown. Okay. And then you would gently, so you add the bananas and the strawberries. And you're gonna gently fold those in. And then, if you prefer, you could add marshmallows. My sons love this and they like marshmallows in it. So you just add a couple marshmallows, a couple hand pinches of marshmallows. So I like coconut. So sprinkle some coconut in there. So there we have it. We have our no-bake strawberry and banana cheesecake salad. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.